Hello everyone, here is VanAmsen. Welcome back to my channel. And today we will solve another SQL tutorial series. Today we are going to work on a problem from LeetCode top 50 SQL task list. So the problem we will be solving, let's check. So for example, subqueries section, employees whose manager left the company. So it's marked as easy one. So yeah, the problem number is 1978, titled employees whose manager left the company. It falls under the subqueries section. So yeah, it will have to deal something with subqueries. So very interesting topic. And the employee table contains information about employee, including their ID, name, manager's ID, and salary. We are tasked with writing an SQL query to find the IDs of the employees whose salaries is less than $30,000, or here is currency is not stated, so 30,000, and those manager has left the company. We know a manager has left the company if their ID doesn't exist in the employees table. Let's start writing our SQL query. So back to terminal and select employee ID from employees where salary less than 30,000 and manager ID not in select employee ID from employees order by employer ID. So in our SQL query, we are selecting the employee ID from the employee table where the salary is less than 30,000 and the manager ID does not exist in the list of employee ID of the employee table. We then order the output by employee ID. So let's run it. Let's run this query on LeetCode and see if it's passed all test cases. So test cases are passed and we can see, so we were given this employee table and output is 11. So 11 is Jozach. Manager ID is 6, and so salary is less than 30,000 and manager ID, so 6 not in employee ID. So we don't have like employee 6, so Jozach salary is less than 30,000 and his manager left the company. So let's submit it for unseen test cases and let's check if it's work. We have passed test case, so awesome, excellent. The code has passed all test cases including submit one, so unseen. This demonstrates the utility of SQL subqueries and the in and not in operator. So we have salary less than 30,000 and manager not in, so it's subqueries. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel, VanAmsen. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to drop a comment below and stay tuned for more SQL problem solving in our next video. happy coding, and see you next time.